sometimes the infantry guys and a lot of the commanders, they come out of that infantry, starting 2014, 2022, and they feel a little bit threatened by drones. Obviously, in reality, actually threatened by drones. Okay, but also threatened by drones in the sense of, oh my gosh, they're going to try and replace us with drones. And I have said, I have to repeat over and over, drones will not replace infantry. There's always going to have to be somebody out there, some poor guy out there, doing stuff. So that's a big thing. The other thing, foreigners trying to imagine what it's like to live under constant threat of drone attack, as I do every day. The level of intensity of that on the zero line versus 10, 20 kilometers back, or in Kyiv, for example, is just really incomprehensible for people. A lot of people think about drones. Oh, Kyiv is getting attacked by drones. They're thinking of like little toy drones, like maybe you have your DJIs or something. And that's why I emphasized about the Shaheeds, that and then also this concept, like you were saying, about, oh, doesn't Ukraine have enough drones now? Like, look, the GWAT wants its drone warfare back. Okay, like people like these. First of all, they're kamikaze drones. A drone that was in development last year is completely needs to be redeveloped this year. Okay, because the technology is completely changed. All right. And the main thing is people don't understand, even like scientific researchers in the West who I work with on a day-to-day basis, have no idea how far behind they are, how far behind the West is in terms of this development. Like,
I think the best illustration was a Pentagon that was sharing that video on Twitter, where they shared as like, no one has seen this before, a drone dropping a grenade. It
right,
was hilarious. Like half a year ago, it was a video appeared from
right,
Pentagon.
right.
It was
Yeah,
after
I mean, but
Hegseth
if you're
announced
just
it.
a casual, you know, uh, bystander, barely a viewer of the Ukraine war, what's going on here, you have no idea. It's just, oh yeah, there's a war in Ukraine. I hear there's some drones there. I mean, I get that
Pretty
all the
much.
time. So,
That's why we need more streams like these,